You're watching Azure This Week with me, Lars Klint, and I want to invite you to the ACG Community Summit. It is taking place over 3 days, includes 6 tracks of cloud learning, and is live and hands-on. Yeah, it's on from 28th to 30th of June, and it is free to attend. The link is in the description. Also this week, buzzwords, strong authentication, and safe deploy practices. We have it all! All right, on to the news. It's a buzzword kind of week in Azure. Just listen to this gem that came out of Microsoft marketing this week. The power of 5G, IoT, and real-time AI will unlock new and innovative services for enterprise across the world to accelerate their transformation towards, this is a good one, Industry 4.0 as they evolve and adopt diverse new business models. However, despite the cringy language, this did describe a pretty cool new compute service, Azure Private Multi-Access Edge Compute, or MEC for short. Azure Private MEC is a way for you to use 5G private networks securely on the edge. This is especially useful in remote locations where network security can be critical to the greater company infrastructure. Microsoft even made this pretty picture to show you how amazing it is. To enable MEC, there are a bunch of new services launching, including Azure Network Function Manager, Metaswitch Fusion Core, I don't know what that is, but I want one, Affirmed Private Network Service, and an Azure Private MEC partner ecosystem. Check out all the details in the link in the description. A hardware security module is a piece of hardware that safeguards and manages digital keys, performs encryption and decryption functions for digital signatures, strong authentication, and other cryptographic functions. Managed HSM for Azure Key Vault now offers a fully managed, highly available, single-tenant, high-throughput, standards-compliant cloud service to safeguard cryptographic keys for your cloud applications using FIPS, FIPS 140-2 Level 3 validated HSMs. It's important. This is an extra layer of security to keep all your secrets, certificates, and keys safe in Azure. One of the great advantages of cloud computing is the seemingly endless supply of computing resources. When the traffic to your very successful Hummingbird call sign identification service grows exponentially, you could use something like a VM scale set to deploy more machines when needed. One of the issues is keeping the scale set up to date with new OS images and patches. And this week, the maintenance control for virtual machine scale sets OS image upgrades, love the long names, Microsoft, went into general availability. This means you can automatically upgrade OS images in virtual machine scale sets during defined maintenance windows. It follows safe deploy practices and monitors the health of the VMs during the upgrades too. Nifty! Nifty. Oh, nifty. Are you going to join us for the Community Summit? Sign up now. And if you want to keep up with Azure news, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Also, join our new Azure This Week Discord channel to discuss the trends from this episode, interact with other students and ACG people, and get help for your cloud journey. You'll find a link below in the description. As we say on the A-Cloud Guru team, when the morning sky looks like a graphic novel and you hope the llamas are still sleeping, seek and you shall cloud. So see you next week. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.